this is on making dilutions. Dilutions is the process of adding more solvent to a solution. So we start off with a concentrated solution like our frozen juice concentrate, and we add water to it to make it more diluted. Now the thing that we can say is the number of moles does not change when making a solution. You start off with your frozen juice concentrate, and you have a certain amount of moles of juice in there. You put it in a pitcher and add water, and you still have the same number of moles of juice. So the number of moles does not change. And so we can say, we can follow this along, and we can say the molarity, or the moles of solid per liter, molarity equals moles of solid over liters of solution. We know that. We went over that a lot yesterday. Or we can say moles of solid equals the molarity times the liters of the solution. We're just kind of rearranging this formula right here. And then we can follow that and we can say, hey, we also know moles of solid before equals the moles of solid after we do the dilution. Therefore, the moles of solid equals M1, we say that's the molarity times the volume, or molarity times liters. And this is this occasion goes together, right? So this is our before the dilution. And that should equal M2 molarity 2 times volume 2. And this is after the dilution. So we can take molarity times volume before dilution, and that should equal the molarity times volume after the dilution. And that becomes a very important formula for us. So that's pretty much it. Let's try this one. How would you prepare a 500 milliliter? So we want a 500 milliliter, 1.0 molar HC2H3O2 solution. We have a stock of 17.5 molar HC2,3O2. So this is our very concentrated solution. We want to have more dilute. How would we prepare that? Well, we use M1V1 equals M2V2. And we plug these in. We say the molarity, 17.5 molarity times the volume. We don't know. We don't know how much of this we'll need to put in. And then we have our second molarity, which is 1.0 molarity. And our volume, we know our volume. We want 500 milliliters of that. Okay? And so we solve this, and we multiply these. 5 times 1 is 5, right? And then we divide this side by 17.5. We divide this side by 17.5. So our volume equals, and we'll do this out, 1 times 500 divided by 17.5. And we get our volume 28.6 milliliters, right? Because we're in milliliters. This 500 is milliliters, so we have to be in milliliters. We're going to need to take 28.6 milliliters
Angela
of this.
Sanchez, report to the office, please. Angela Sanchez.
Now, we have 500 milliliters, so what is the rest? 28.6 milliliters is this concentrate. What's the rest? Or 500 minus 28.6, which is, I can't think right now, 500 minus 28.6, 471.4. Well, 471.4 milliliters is, what do we dilute with? Well, we dilute with water. So this is how we make this dilution. We take our concentrate, we add 28.6, we take our water, we dilute it, 471.4 milliliters, and we get our 1 molar 500 milliliter solution of HC2H3O2. That's a dilution. That's about as hard as it gets. So you can also find it in your book, read about dilutions, practice them. I'm going to give you some problems to do tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.